In this video, we will talk about what is Cardano? How does Cardano work? What are Cardano native tokens? A brief history of Cardano. What is ADA? What's next for Cardano? So make sure to watch full video. Hi guys! Welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT, and blockchain. Every day a new video. Follow us not to miss the news. What is Cardano? From how to buy it to how it works, all the info you need to make smart trades. Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's designed to be a next-gen evolution of the Ethereum idea, with a blockchain that's a flexible, sustainable, and scalable platform for running smart contracts, which will allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance apps, new crypto tokens, games, and more. As of March 2021, however, smart contract functionality has yet to be rolled out by developers. An upgrade scheduled for the second quarter of 2021 will unlock smart contract features, bringing Cardano one step closer to its goal of providing developers with a blockchain platform that is robust, secure, scalable, and highly energy efficient. Much like the Ethereum blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ETH, the Cardano blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ADA, which can be bought or sold via exchanges like Coinbase. Today, ADA can be used to store value, perhaps as part of your investment portfolio, to send and receive payments, and for staking and paying transaction fees on the Cardano network. How does Cardano work? Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, as opposed to the energy-intensive proof-of-work system currently used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. What is proof-of-work? Decentralized cryptocurrency networks need to make sure that nobody spends the same money twice without a central authority like Visa or PayPal in the middle. To accomplish this, they use a consensus mechanism. The original crypto consensus mechanism is called proof-of-work, first popularized by Bitcoin mining. Proof-of-work requires a huge amount of processing power, which is contributed by virtual miners around the world competing to be the first to solve a time-consuming math puzzle. The winner gets to update the blockchain with the latest verified transactions and is rewarded with a predetermined amount of crypto. What is proof-of-stake? Rather than using a network of miners racing to solve a puzzle, proof-of-stake uses a network of invested participants called validators. Instead of contributing processing power to secure the network and verify transactions as miners do, validators stake their own ADA. The network selects a winner based on the amount of ADA each validator has in the pool and the length of time they've had it there, literally rewarding the most invested participants. Once the winner has validated the latest block of transactions, other validators can attest that the block is accurate. When a threshold number of attestations have been made, the network updates the blockchain. All participating validators receive a reward in ADA, which is distributed by the network in proportion to each validator's stake. Becoming a validator is a major responsibility, but interested parties can also earn ADA rewards by delegating some of their crypto to a staking pool run by someone else. The Cardano blockchain is also divided into two separate layers: the Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL, and the Cardano Computing Layer, CCL. The CSL contains the ledger of accounts and balances, and is where the transactions are validated by the Ouroboros consensus mechanism. The CCL layer is where all the computations for apps running on the blockchain are executed, via the operations of smart contracts. The idea of splitting the blockchain into two layers is to help the Cardano network to process as many as 1 million transactions a second. What are Cardano native tokens? On March 1, 2021, the Cardano blockchain introduced the ability to create native tokens. Like Ethereum tokens, which can include things like NFT or stablecoins like USD Coin, Cardano native assets can be created and distributed on the blockchain and are able to interact with smart contracts. But unlike Ethereum-based tokens, Cardano native tokens aren't created via smart contract. Instead, they run on the same architecture as the ADA cryptocurrency itself. According to the nonprofit Cardano Foundation, this makes Cardano native assets first-class citizens on the blockchain. Their native architecture can theoretically make these tokens more secure and reduce the fees associated with transactions. A brief history of Cardano. Cardano was launched in September 2017 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson and aims to be a third-generation blockchain, or Blockchain 3.0 project, building on top of the technology pioneered by Bitcoin, first gen, and Ethereum, second gen. Cardano's goal is to be a highly scalable and energy-efficient smart contract platform. The Ouroboros consensus mechanism is based on peer-reviewed research by a team of computer scientists and cryptographers from the University of Edinburgh, Tokyo University, and other institutions. Their goal was to build a decentralized network that could validate transactions in a scalable, secure way, while ensuring that the Cardano platform would be as energy efficient as possible. What is ADA? ADA is the native cryptocurrency of the Cardano platform, named after Ada Lovelace, the 19th century mathematician often referred to as the world's first computer programmer. ADA tokens fuel the Cardano platform, much like ETH tokens fuel the Ethereum platform. They're used to pay transaction fees and are staked by validators and delegators who want to help maintain security and stability of the network in exchange for earning rewards. In the future, ADA will also be used as a governance token, which will allow holders to vote on changes and upgrades to the Cardano platform. What's next for Cardano? In the second quarter of 2021, smart contract functionality is scheduled to arrive on the Cardano platform. Developers have also announced that the blockchain will become compatible with Ethereum-based smart contracts later in the year, potentially allowing it to run a wide range of existing apps and allowing developers to work on Cardano projects using the familiar Solidity programming language. Cardano also plans to become completely decentralized through the implementation of community-driven governance and an automated treasury system to fund the future of the network. Special features of Cardano. ADA is the principal currency on the Cardano network, and it also is used to pay for any fees incurred for transactions. It is considered to be more environmentally friendly compared to other cryptocurrencies because of the way transactions are verified on the Cardano network, but more on that a little later. Outside of the environmentally friendly Cardano currency, the Cardano network powers smart contracts and dApps. For example, developers at IOC announced in April 2021 that they would build a platform using the Cardano network to handle needs such as escrow, operating centralized stablecoins, and tracking supply chains. In partnership with Scantrust, Cardano tracks supply chains of physical goods to combat fraud and track ownership histories. How to mine Cardano. Unlike some competing coins, such as Bitcoin and Litecoin, you can't mine Cardano to create new coins. Cardano follows its own Ouroboros protocol and uses a proof-of-stake method to verify the creation of new blocks. This means that instead of miners solving complex problems, Cardano creates new blocks based on the stake participants' control in the Cardano network. This proof-of-stake method uses far less energy than the competitive proof-of-work networks where electricity-hungry mining computers race to create the next block and earn a Bitcoin or other coin reward. How to buy or invest in Cardano. Buying and investing in Cardano has become easier as its popularity increased. You can now buy ADA on most major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, and Bittrex, among others. Wallets. Cardano recommends two of its own wallets, Daedalus and Yori, to store, transact with, and stake ADA. Other ADA-compatible wallets include hardware wallets such as Trezor Model T, Ledger Nano S, and Ledger Nano X. You may also consider Ellipal, Infinito Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Garda, and Tangem. Transaction time. According to cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, each ADA transaction requires 15 confirmations, which takes about 10 minutes to complete. Coinbase, on the other hand, requires 10 confirmations for an ADA transaction, but does not specify times. Fees. Each ADA transaction incurs a minimal transaction cost on the network, which is calculated using a formula and paid in ADA. Fees charged by exchanges on which you transact may be additional. Cardano is unique in its fee structure because the network fees don't only go to the block producer. It is shared among all block-producing stake pools. The balance does not provide tax, investment, or financial services and advice. The information is being presented without consideration of the investment objectives, risk tolerance, or financial circumstances of any specific investor and might not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.